Hi, my name is Alejandra, and this is my slide design. I chose the brand Coleman because I am a fan of the outdoors. Coleman first started off promoting lamps, then went off to promote equipment for the outdoors like tents, chairs, grills, and sleeping bags, and many more. Okay, let's look at the original ad. The ad Coleman puts his logo on a sign like a hotel sign you would see in Las Vegas. The sign is positioned in rule of thirds and is very spacious, as you can see. For typography, it uses a combination of different sans serif styles, bold and italic. And for color, it uses natural neutral colors so that the sign pops out with the color red and the big bold white letters. For the new ad, I wanted to keep the same concept of the photograph somewhere very spacious. I also forgot to mention both have leading lines right here. I also position the sign with rule of thirds. With the colors, I looked for photographs with neutral colors and that it also had the sea. Thank you for watching.